get like a deodorant stain on something.
Yes.
I'm gonna show you how to get it out.
Yes, this is amazing. Keep it going. I love it. Today we're with a celebrity stylist. God, I love a celebrity stylist. She dresses Minnie Driver. She dresses MJ Rodriguez, Jordana Brewster. Guys, it's Katie Bofshever. What's up, Katie?
Hi guys. Welcome to my enchanted forest.
She is having tea with the animals. She's like a real stylist. She makes her dresses and has the birds help her.
Yeah, they'll just land on my shoulder and start sewing something in a second.
So Katie, we want the tips, we want the hacks, we want you to help us in our everyday life.
I'll start with a fashion one. And this is something that is often a problem, I think, for everybody, but happens all the time on set when we're taking clothes on and off, is that you get like a deodorant stain on something.
Yes.
I'm going to show you how to get it out. So you have your black t-shirt, whatever. You got a little deodorant on it. Not cute. So what you have to do is so easy. Just rub it together. Takes a little elbow grease sometimes. But if you rub it like on the fabric, it starts to come out.
Wait a minute. Oh my God. All right. So I put my shirt on and I'm like, oh man, it's all over the sides. So I would just take the sides of the shirt and rub them together.
Rub it together, like rub it against the same fabric on the shirt, and it comes right out.
And that's black and it came out.
It's black and it came out. Honestly, like if it's, you don't even have to take it off, which is obvious, like, cause then if you take it off, the same thing's gonna happen again. Just like lift up the bottom of it and rub it together and you're good to go.
Mind blown. That is insane. I've never heard that before.
It will come in handy.
Cause I always take like I'll like lick my hand and try to get it out, or like get water.
Yeah, and then it gets like smudgy and kind of like soapy and it's not cute. Yeah.
Yes, this is amazing. Okay, I'm obsessed with that. That's amazing. And look at your sleeves.
You know, people get a little self-conscious about their arms, and especially like on a Zoom call when it's just from here up. I think keeping a nice open neckline is key, and then also a little coverage, a little volume on your arms, something to look at. I mean, there's your tip right there. I think
I love that.
And
Katie,
then
you did not disappoint. You got more? Shit.
I mean, I have a couple more, but I was like,
keep it going. I love it.
So one good way also to get rid of any kind of static cling, if you don't have like static guard handy, is taking a little dryer sheet and rubbing it on the inside of a dress, and it removes the static cling. It's also good if you're traveling because it's a lot easier to like have these on hand than, you know, you stick one or two in your luggage and you can
by the way, I've never heard that before.
Really?
Never.
There you go.
You're blowing my mind.
Last fashion-y hack is, we use this a lot for red carpet. Well, we used to use baby powder, but that's been canceled. So to help slide into shoes, and I think this is especially good for summer months where you get sweaty feet and it's all sticky, or if a shoe's a little bit too small and your foot's rubbing, I started using just like a dry shampoo powder, because it like is effectively the same thing. If you put it like on your shoes, it absorbs like the oil or sweat from your feet and you don't get that rub where you're not gonna get like a blister. This is Kristin S.
Oh, I love Kristin S.
Available at Target. Yeah, great dry shampoo too. Yeah, and again, like a good travel hack, because like I'm traveling with this, and so you don't have to pack anything extra. You can just kind of reach into your little beauty bag, and there you go.
God, we learned a lot here. We covered the gamut.
Yeah.
Michigan has been good to us.
There you go. The magical forest, the little elves.
We'll go back to your lunch with your animals and your elves. It is so great to talk to you. You totally glam bam. Thank you, ma'am Dust. That was mind blowing. I hope I see you in person in real life one day soon. Thank you so much.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Good to see you too. Bye, Bofshever.
Bye.